Hello beautiful Italian learners and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Germana and today we are finally going to discuss together a topic that I know that makes a lot of you struggle with. I'm talking about the infamous imperativo. More specifically, we're going to dive deep together into this grammar topic and I'm gonna tell you how to use it, when to use it, how to conjugate it, both the affirmative and the negative form, and of course we are also going to practice together with some examples at the end of this video. Please remember that if you want to recap everything that you're going to explore together today, you can always download the free PDF file that I've created for you by clicking on the Google Drive link down below in the description box. But before I continue, if you want to see any other Italian grammar videos from me in the future, just make sure to subscribe down below and turn on the post notification so you never miss another upload. Are you ready? Let's get started. Imperativo. What does this word mean in Italian? It means imperative, mandatory. So guess what's the purpose of this mood in Italian? Exactly, Italians use it to express an order, command, prohibition, and even suggestion, invitation, and prayer. Let's see some examples. Vieni subito qui. Come here now. Rifai il letto, per favore. Make the bed, please. Non correre. Don't run. Lasciami in pace. Leave me alone. Abbiate pazienza. Be patient. From these examples, you may have noticed that we mostly use it to address to tu and voi. So you, the second singular person, and you, the second plural person. Let's see an example of how we can conjugate the three main conjugations we have in Italian, namely verbs ending in are, first conjugation, ere, second conjugation, and ire, third conjugation. So we have cantare, tu canta, voi cantate, correre, tu corri, voi correte, dormire, tu dormi, voi dormite. You may also have noticed in one of the previous examples that I gave you that I said abbiate pazienza. This is because avere, to have, and essere, to be, follow a specific conjugation which takes its root from the Italian subjunctive mood. So, with the verb avere, you'll say tu abbi, voi abbiate. And with the verb essere, you'll say tu sii, voi siate. Okay, so this is how we can structure the affirmative form of the Italian imperative mood. But let's see now how we can conjugate the negative form. The structure indeed, it's a little bit different. So with cantare, we can say tu non cantare, voi non cantate. Correre, tu non correre, voi non correte. Dormire, tu non dormire, voi non dormite. So what do you notice? Before I tell you, please let me know in the comment section down below. I wanna hear from you. What's in your opinion the main difference in the structure of the affirmative and negative form? So the negative form, it's easier in this sense because with the second person singular, you'll use the infinitive form. So the verb is cantare, correre, dormire, and you add non at the beginning. So you say non cantare, non correre, non dormire, and this is okay with the second person singular. But with the second person plural, something slightly changes. You'll use the present tense conjugation, so cantate, voi cantate, and you'll add non at the beginning. Non cantate, non correte, non dormite. Easy peasy, right? Okay, let me give you three verbs now, and I want you to conjugate them both in the affirmative and in the negative form. The first verb is parlare, to speak or to talk. The second verb is leggere, to read. And the third verb is partire, to leave. Okay, so let me know in the comment section down below how would you conjugate the affirmative and the negative form of these three verbs, and I'll pin the solutions in the comment section down below for you to check on your answers. Okay, so far we've seen that we mostly use the imperative mood when we want to order someone doing something. But you must know that you can also use this mood with other pronouns, such as io, lui or lei, noi, loro, so all the other remaining pronouns that we haven't mentioned so far, other than tu and voi. But when exactly do we distinguish when to use it with tu and voi and with the other pronouns? You'll use it with the other pronouns when you really want to express an exhortation, so you want to exhort someone doing something rather than commanding them. For this purpose, we'll need to use the so-called congiuntivo esortativo, the exhortative subjunctive in Italian, that we have already seen, for example, with the verb avere and essere, that follow the subjunctive conjugation. Sometimes you can find this congiuntivo esortativo preceded by che. An example with io is che qualcuno mi aiuti. So you're asking for help. You're asking someone to help you. Somebody help me. Let's see other examples with the other pronouns. With the formal pronoun lei, we can say prego, si sieda pure. Please be seated. With noi, balliamo. Let's dance. With loro, che chiamino pure. Non risponderò. Let them call, I won't answer. If you want to brush up a little how to use and conjugate the subjunctive mood in Italian, so the congiuntivo, I suggest that you look at this video up here in which I'll tell you everything that you need to know about this mood. Okay, it's now time to finally practice a little bit together with the imperative mood. How would you feel each of these 5 sentences that I'm going to give you with the imperativo? Let me know your answer in the comment section down below. Let's start with the first sentence. Sergio, la finestra fa freddo. Number 2. Bambini, ricordare voi di fare i compiti per domani. Number 3. Non tagliare le patate a fettine sottili. Number 4. Prego, fare lei, this is the formal pronoun, pure come se stesse a casa sua. And last one, non seguire voi le indicazioni di Pietro, sono sbagliate. So good, that's all for today's lesson. I really hope that this video was helpful for you to learn something more about the Italian imperative mood. Of course, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget that I've been teaching online on italki. So now, if you want to get to know me and book a trial lesson with me, you can find all the information in the description box down below. You know, italki completely changed my life. Since I started teaching Italian on italki, I connected with wonderful people all around the world, and that's really amazing, guys. You can have the possibility to have one-on-one online lessons whenever and wherever you want, and all you need is just a strong and stable internet connection. In my opinion, this is today the most efficient way to reach language fluency. So click on the link in the description box to earn 10 USD italki credits when you sign up for your first lesson. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to connect with me, you can find me on my Facebook, Instagram, and X account. See you next time. Ciao!